So I feel like I have no idea what you're about to see. So that way, you guys will be just as surprised as I am if I fail or succeed. Since I'm gonna be winging this, I'll list all the materials I used down in the description box. If you enjoy DIYs, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe below. Let's craft. So first off, you want to protect your surfaces with some plastic.
Oh, and it smells so good.
So we are gonna pour some of that black paint. Oh! It's officially my craft shirt now. It has acrylic paint on it and that doesn't come off.
Ew, how old is this paint?
By the way, this is gonna be my wreath.
So I'm just gonna be painting the front part because I don't want any of that green showing through.
In my Halloween haul, I had said I was gonna use the 2 circles.
I don't think I'm going through with that idea.
I was quick to judge the paint.
This looks fantastic.
Honestly, that's good enough. Let's let it dry. Once it's completely dry, I piled up my stuff. I think I'm gonna use the black one. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Am I gonna have to hot glue this? So I decided I am just going to weave it like in and out. It doesn't have to be neat. I think I'm content with that. Secure it down with small bits of glue.
It looks hideous in the back.
Let's just secure the back pieces. Going in for the skeletons. Oh, this is a garland. Oh, that's cute. I didn't even realize, oh, skeleton garland.
We're gonna repurpose this little bad boy.
So we wanna make him look like he's trapped. Yeah, I'm liking this look. So he's like buried inside the creepy cloth. I'll probably use one more of the skeletons.
Not because I don't want to use all of them, but because I ran out of glue.
I'm gonna have to like tie him down with the actual material. Are you gonna cooperate?
No, you're dead and all.
I like it so far. Add a little pop of color with some flowers. Twist it a couple of times. Oh, it could look pretty at the top. So I got one. I'm gonna put the other one.
Oh, these little bats. Oh my god, this is so precious.
So here's how my flowers look so far. And then I'm gonna probably stick these next to the skeleton here. The spider is probably gonna be down here.
I dig it so far. I hope y'all dig it too.
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's just see if we can attach him with just the creepy cloth. Yeah, he can be like all tangled up in there.
People will think it's intentional.
And then when I get glue, I'll probably, you know, secure him a little more. Oh my god, I actually love it. I actually love it.
It's small things like this that make me happy.
I made it look like the spider is attached to that creepy cloth that was hanging in the middle. But I think I'm gonna add one more flower at the top. Where? Here? Yes. To balance off the sparkle on this top side, I think I'm gonna add this other bat flying upwards.
You see how that little batty bat just balances off the other batty bat?
So I'm gonna bring you up close and personal. Here's a spider. He's intertwined in the creepy cloth. One of those branch leaves with the black baddie. Then we got one of those skeletons buried up. There's those purple flowers. Another baddie. Another skeleton. And that is the final product. It is officially day 2.
I wasn't 100% content with how small the wreath ended up being on my door.
So I'm going to go ahead and add some things on the side to spruce it up a little bit. So usually wreaths have some kind of Halloween sign. I found an old shoebox where I can rip off a piece. Make it look like distressed wood, so I just literally yanked off a piece. This one's probably gonna be at the top, and this one's gonna be hanging from the bottom.
The reason I had said in my haul that I was gonna use the 2 of them was because one was a little too small for my door.
Got my paintbrushes.
You want to shake your paint?
It doesn't have to be super covered up. I think one coat is fine, but it looks like old wood. See what I mean? Gonna use some of the black paint.
I swear, I'm the messiest painter. I always get paint on my hands.
So you can go ahead and just freehand whatever you want to write. It really helps that it's Halloween. Things don't have to be perfect. It actually fits the
aesthetic.
Bring you guys closer. I think this is good. Yeah, I should have done this for the whole wreath project. Sorry guys.
I'll do better. I promise.
Would a witch write the E backwards? No, because then children won't be able to read it, right? I don't know.
I think I overthink things.
Yes, I smell. So just dry brush the edges.
I like improvising with you guys because DIY channels usually make things look easy, and sometimes that's not the case. There's a lot of struggle when it comes to these things. People tend to leave that off camera. I don't know, I want to be as authentic as possible.
Please tell me who's gonna say that doesn't look like distressed wood. Guys, we have a problem. I wrote I smell on the piece of cardboard that was for children. I smell was supposed to be on this small one. Children was supposed to be on this big one. So I cut out my new piece of cardboard. I actually like this one a lot more than this one.
Things happen for a reason.
This is where I'm gonna write children, so let me go ahead and do that. I always get anxiety thinking that my words aren't gonna fit.
But I wing it anyway.
If you wanna play the safe route, just write it out in pencil first and then go over your lines. Aha! It fit! Distress the size just like we did with the other one, Got some popsicle sticks and just taped it on the back. I could just stick that into my floral foam. This is gonna look better painted black. Talking about the popsicle stick here. Let's do the other one as well. Now that my signs are all dry, I'm gonna be sticking them into my wreath. Really wish I would have thought about this before. We got the children on. It's time to put the I smell. If you could get a wooden skewer instead of a popsicle stick, I think this will be a lot easier. I think that's good, guys. I smell children. Yeah, I think that gives it enough volume. It takes up more space on my door.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the spider web on my door.
We'll see how it looks. Stay tuned for more Halloween DIYs. Keep it crafty, everyone. Bye, amigos.